Alright, y'all, Rebecca here, just coming out here in between the storms to just check on everything. And for the most part, everything looks pretty good. I'm sloshing in the ground a little bit. It all looks pretty happy. We're eventually going to poke holes in this thing and mulch. But overall, I mean, not a lot of pedaling. That lemon balm looks real happy. Everything looks pretty happy in the garden. Yep. Everything's looking pretty good. One of the nasturtiums is looking good. Alright, y'all. Little post-stream video just to see what's going on. Oh, I have a fatality. Fatality. That's unfortunate. My thing broke. It's too big, I guess. Alright, well, everything's looking wonderful after this rain.